Another building that just came up. I like the design of it. I saw it last, I guess maybe a year ago, but this design that they've done is very interesting. They've done white brick, and I actually like the modern market. I looked in there a few seconds ago, and so what I saw, oh, they have a patio there. What I saw that I liked about that particular modern market is that while it certainly is ethnic, if I may say, it still infuses this like cream wood. If you can probably see it from here. The cream wood right there, and then it has like the big letter and the big gray advertised lettering in the store. So above the shelves and above the food shelves and food aisles, there's this light wood that's in there with the gray lettering. So I really like that design element. So I guess that's gonna be a residential building. They finally completed it. That's good. And the liquor store, where's the liquor store? I just saw it. There you go. So yeah, Tremont is up the street, and so Garden of Prayer, and as well as another one, I can't think of it right now. Garden of Prayer, and what's the other one? I said next door to Iglesia Cristiana. Yeah, I visited there. So, yeah, but they've finished it. The Bronx needs nice stuff like that, so I'm glad that they got it. They have that building there. It's well taken care of, so to Webster Avenue. There it is. As you can see, that bottom floor is unoccupied so far. When I was walking up to it, I was thinking, I was like, they should put a Whole Foods there. And then when I walked past it, because I got off the D train, as you can see from, I'll link in the D train video from the Mexican on the B, actually the B train. So it's hard to tell the difference, but I saw this space and I was like, they should put a Whole Foods there or something like that. And then I saw that the modern market is open right there. So I looked in and I was like, I like the design that they did on the walls. I love the aisles and stuff, so it's interesting. Enjoy. Check me out on YouTube. Thanks. Oh, shit. Hey, bro, you can check me out on YouTube sometimes. Thanks. Just doing a little advertising here, and here in the Bronx, I'm glad they got that building that just came up. And I remember these streets from my early days in New York. Grand Concourse is up the street. 176th. Actually, the Bronx Church of God in Christ is on 176th, way up 176th, around the corner and up the stairs. Those birds flying.